Hello, welcome to the channel. So today's video, I'm inside Upper Hill and I want to show you how it looks like. It's a place where you'll find all the head offices of most corporates, especially the finance corporates are here. So thank you for always coming. Check out. This video starts around this place where National Hospital Insurance Fund on Ragati Road, or right opposite is the Kenya National Library. So I'll continue on Ragati Road, and here I can see Capitol Hill Police Station. When you walk straight on, not far from here, you'll see DPP's office. You will see quite a number of main corporate offices here, like the one you see now is NCBA. I can see Britam and many others which you'll see in this video. Just buildings you'll see are on Mara Road. Made a turn around this roundabout to the left on Mara Road, and that's what you're going to see here on this video. So you'll see quite a number of different main offices for different corporates on this side. I'm heading south. I'll go until a place where you can see Geminia, and that would be the end of this part, and I'll make a turn again, but it won't be on the video, so I'm just letting you know that I'm going to make a turn to the northern part of it. As you can see, the video is already starting at the roundabout again, around where this giant writing of Britam is, heading up. So that's what I was talking about. This would mark the end of the Upper Hill video, as I'm heading to town. I'm headed to the CBD in a few. I'm on Ngong Road, and I can see that golf club which is on my right, heading to the CBD. You can see Green Park Terminus on the left. I'm about to reach the junction. So this particular video will show mostly Haile Selassie. Once I cross the junction, which is about a few meters away, I'll be on Haile Selassie most of it until a railway station, where the video will end. So around this junction there's a lot of construction. So you can see the road that is on the right is from Mombasa Road, and the other one is on the left is heading on Uhuru Highway. So I'll stay on Haile Selassie, and that's what you're going to see all through. On the right, you can see the Technical University of Kenya, which used to be called Kenya Poly. And the other side, you can see other buildings like Central Bank. And the farthest corner, you can see the KICC. Right about now, I'm approaching the roundabout at the Kenya railway station. This is around the railway station roundabout, and you can see there is a sign that shows the railway station right there, and there are buses here. People get to board to different places. Then I noticed that I was just checking the places where this train is going. I saw Nairobi to Makadara and many more. So when you stand here, you can see at the corner is where the railway station is. So that's where you can get the train. So I just decided to just show you past the roundabout, right past the roundabout, and you can see how it is congested. So at the corner, at the farthest corner is where Marikiti is located. So I guess this is where downtown actually starts, and you can see how seriously congested it is. That will mark the end of this video. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next one.